Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. This is interesting, Aquarius, because I'm going to be honest with you. I've been kind of picking this up for a lot of signs. This isn't your energy. This is definitely the person that you've been dealing with. I feel like whoever you guys have been dealing with, they are trying to free themselves from a situation that they put themselves in, whether it's with family, friends, career, another man, woman. It's something that they're trying to get themselves out of because they truly want to be with you and they know that they messed up and they really want you to give them a chance when they do come back around. But before they approach you, they are trying to just get themselves out of some type of situation. So let's just hop in. Alright. Bottom of the deck, I have the Magician reverse. So this is telling me that somebody is just not being positive right now. The way things are going. Yeah, this is whoever messed up. So Aquarius, if this isn't you, it could be the other person, cross watcher. You may be dealing with an Aquarius that this is resonating for. So somebody just feels like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you because you cut them off. You could be dealing with another air sign, an Aquarius like yourself, Gemini or Libra. Yeah, but see, because you cut this person off, I feel like they see things clearly now. And it's just like, something just hit them. Now they're wanting to come back towards you and speak their truth. And it could have just happened once you had completely removed yourself from this person. I feel like once you stop texting, calling, checking on them, if they've been reaching out to you and you just haven't been responding, or if you did respond, you're just really short with them, you're just not tolerating things anymore, they're realizing like, oh my God, the situation that I'm in, why am I even in this? Like, I'm not with the person that I really want to be with, or if it's a family situation or people are just involved in your business, they're like, you know what, this person was right. Like, I see now such and such wasn't good for me. So now they want to come back towards you and I love this. They want to give you the truth. I was about to say that. They want a new beginning with you. They want to speak their truth. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces here. Tell me more. Look at that. They want a relationship with you. They definitely want a commitment with you, Aquarius. And they have the confidence. It's like they know. I'm telling you, this person knows you're it. You're the one. But see, I feel like they have to remove themselves out of a commitment, a marriage, or this could just be saying that they're afraid. You don't want it anymore. You don't want to have that commitment, the marriage, the things that you guys discussed previously. You don't want it anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Tell me more. Yeah, this person is having a hard time approaching you, giving you this truth. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But the Tower is here. Something came crashing down on their end. See, I'm telling you, they were entertaining someone else, or it's like a family situation, whatever it is that they were codependent to, where they were helping someone or someone was helping them, or they just felt obligated to stay. I feel like the universe ripped all of that up, okay? Because now this person wants to come back in. They want to work things out with you. They definitely want things to improve with you. See? They learned their lesson. Now they're ready to move forward with you. Excuse me. But see, this person is frustrated because they had you waiting. This person could be frustrated about their money, you know? See, they're worried about something. Clarify, Four Swords. This person was being sneaky in the past. Calm down. They were definitely being sneaky in the past, and this is why they're scared. Because, see, yeah, they left you out in the cold, Aquarius, in the past. And now it's like, they're hoping that you can forgive them. They're hoping that you're not as angry as you were in the past right now. So they know that you're disappointed in them, because they did have you in some type of third-party situation, but I feel like they are removing themselves out of it if they haven't done so already. Tell me more. they're dragging their feet. Yeah, this person that you were dealing with was definitely being a player in the past. Could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn here, but see, this person is back and forth. It's like they know they have to walk away from a situation that's just not good for them, but this person has not, I feel like they haven't completely walked away, which is why Free Yourself is here. It's a level of fear here with it. Tell me about the Devil. See? They know that the situation that they're in, they're not going to have a new beginning. They know that they need to just, like, get out of that situation or just stop giving to people. But the thing is, they're scared that because they kept entertaining whatever the situation is, that you don't want them anymore, you know? Could be dealing with a Scorpio, but yeah, they're done. But see, look, they're going to be single. They're going to get out of that situation. They definitely want to have a peace of mind, and they're going to remove themselves out of that situation in order to have a new beginning with you, Aquarius. But see, they feel guilty. They definitely feel guilty for everything that they put you through, but I'm telling you, this person felt obligated to stay to help whatever it was, like a person, you know, a romantic relationship, family. Like, they felt like if they left someone alone, they were just like leaving them out in the cold. And because I feel like somebody just like leaned on them for help. Like, somebody was definitely abusing some type of power here. See, there are things about this person you don't care for. This person had other options, and it's just like they just made a lot of bad decisions. But at the end of the day, you make them really happy, but they're just not positive if they can make things right with you. Tell me more. This is why they're not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. See, they're scared. They're scared at this point. This is you. Like, I'm laughing because it's like I can hear people going off. Like, that's why I'm like cracking up. Y'all are over it. Y'all are done. Y'all are over it. And this is kind of like what I've been picking up with a lot of the signs. Like, you guys are just not tolerating it anymore. And it's like you guys you do really want to hear what this person has to say, even though you tell people you don't. You may even tell yourself, but deep down, you can't hide from me, I know. So the thing is, some of y'all really do want to hear this person out to see what they have to say, just so y'all can cut them off. But your guard is up, you know, and you're like, ugh. You're just tired. It's just the energy I'm picking up. You're tired of dealing with this person. You could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but whoever messed up, this person cannot sleep. They're frustrated. They're up at night. They can't think because now they're realizing what they've done to you. See, there's communication coming in. I definitely feel like they definitely want to express to you how they really feel about you. Justice is in reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but I'm telling you, there's some type of truth coming out. Clarify justice in reverse, please. See, this person is trying to clear away obstacles. So for some of you guys, they could be trying to get out of some type of legal situation. If not, they're just wanting to tell you the truth. Like, hey, this is what's going on. Before, you know, I come to you to like really move things forward, I need to clean this up over here. This is the situation I got myself into. So they're trying to just basically clear away obstacles because they want to balance things out with you. They don't want to bring that drama back in when they do come back for real to really work on things, because I feel like this person is going to try to put in 100% of the effort to make things work. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But she's more so down for me. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles reverse. Let me see if this is you or someone else. Let's make sure. Clarify. Hold on. Tell me about the 10 of Cups reverse. I feel like it's you, but I want to make sure. Yeah, there's nothing. Okay, it's crossed. Okay, so listen. This is you. This person is scared that you don't want to put any more effort into them anymore. You don't want this commitment. You don't want a marriage. You don't want anything to do with them, honestly. They feel like, yeah, everything that y'all talked about as far as having a family, getting married, it's a wrap. You don't want it anymore. Because this person, the way the Ten of Swords came out, this person definitely stabs you in the back. In the past, like when you were dealing with them, and I just feel like you guys have just been working on yourselves and you just been healing. But the good thing is about having these two tens together, they're definitely this cycle, this karmic cycle that's been happening with this individual between the two of you. It is coming to an end, and there is something new that's getting ready to start. Yeah, see, but this person is scared that things may not improve. Tell me more. See, I'm telling you, this person's going to come back and balance things out. It's like they choose you. They want to be with you. This person is going to put in 110% into making things right. They do want a victory with you here. Tell me more. So they made a decision. What's their decision, Spirit? They made a decision. Okay, they're serious. They want stability with you. This person is very serious. They're no longer confused. They're not playing games. They definitely want stability with you. Could be dealing with an Aries. Tell me more. It's more so up, but they're kind of... That's the thing. They've been talking to someone because they're trying to figure out the best way to come back in your life, Aquarius, to make things right. But at the same time, even though they're making plans to right their wrongs with you, they're still hesitating, which is why you're not really hearing from them, or they're not saying anything. It's like you guys are picking up on them that there's something that they want to say, or you feel like they're getting ready to come back in. But at the same time, you're not hearing anything, you're not seeing anything, and you're like, what the hell? Some of y'all are over. It's just like either say something or leave me alone. So, yeah, this person is taking it day by day. They're taking their time to come back towards you. Because, see, this person does love you. You could be dealing with a Gemini. They know that this is it. You're their soulmate, possible twin flame situation. But I'm telling you, this person is talking themselves out of coming towards you to speak their truth. Tell me more. Let's see. Yeah. They keep thinking about everything that they did to you in the past. And see, they're using their intuition now, and they're coming out of feeling sad about something. If this person was worried, okay, come out. If this person was worried about money, I feel like they're letting it go. Because I feel like they put themselves in a situation. I'm going to just keep saying that. Everybody's situation is different, so I'm not about to be like, this is what it is. It's a lot of different scenarios I'm picking up. But yeah, just know they put themselves in a situation where they broke your trust. And so now it's like they don't want to argue with you, but at the same time, they're not putting in the work to come back towards you right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, this person is isolating themselves. So yeah, you guys may not be talking to this person. And they're isolating themselves because they're trying to balance something out. Tell me about the Six of Pentacles. This is why they're moving slow. Because they feel stuck. See what I'm saying? So, I'm not about to name all these scenarios. It's a lot. Just know that whoever you guys are dealing with, there's a situation going on, whether they were dealing with another man or a woman. And there could have been like money involved where maybe this person was helping them out financially. So that could be a situation. And, you know, let's say if they were living together, whether it's a mortgage, rent, whatever, they have to try to get themselves out of it because, see, this person, I'm just staring at it like they want to be with you, but this person has to give this other individual money. So whether or not they're married, they're trying to get out of a marriage, you know, they have to pay spousal support, some type of money, part of their karma. If this person has a child, children, whatever, they're scared about child support. Like, it's something, I'm telling you, with money because they feel stuck, and this is why they're taking their time to come towards you because, see, they're trying to free themselves from some type of situation that they put themselves in. And see, right now, they know that they have to walk away from this person, but they're not. They're not walking away just yet. Tell me more. See what I'm saying? There's still somebody else in the mix here. Tell me about the Three of Cups. This person could be drinking a lot. But they want to give you an offer. I feel like they want to take you out. They want to give you an offer, but they just have not gotten out of this situation. See, they're moving slow. They're moving extremely slow to give you this offer. See what I'm saying? They do want things to improve with you. Oh. Okay, for some of you guys, there could be a child involved or some type of pregnancy. For others of you, it could just be that this person definitely just, they want things to improve. They want a new beginning. Clarify the Empress. Yeah, they're... okay, okay. Oh, God. So, listen. There could be a child or children that's involved in the mix, which is why this person feels stuck. If it has nothing to do with children, this could be someone's mother that has been standing in the way. Because this is like a mother-son, mother-daughter type of situation. And the parent basically is like, making things hard for you two to come together. And so, yeah, or like a child's mother. It's something along the lines. Just take it how it fits your situation, okay? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But that's the issue. Tell me more.